Hey, are you ready for your next tip from the Holiday Harmony Toolkit? I've got it right here for you. It is drink water. Keep yourself hydrated, right? You might be thinking, I drink water, but let me tell you, in the busyness of the day, you just might forget to take care of yourself. And what is so important for busy mamas is to give to themselves, because when you give to yourself, you have more to give to others. And I am so happy to give you all of these holiday tips, these holiday hacks, and I'm leading a workshop tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Pacific time, the Holiday Harmony Workshop. The link is in my bio. Join me and receive all of the support to navigate these holidays with ease and grace. So until I see you tomorrow morning, stay hydrated, drink plenty of water, and breathe. All right, see you then. Bye.